Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how you can use Notion effectively to plan and monitor your diet. This is your full 2025 guide, so let's get started. First off, create a new page in Notion and name it something like Diet Plan. This helps us because it keeps all our diet-related info in one organized place. Now, add a table on this page. The reason we do this is to have a structured format to input the details of our meals and monitor our calorie intake. Next up, in the table, make columns for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. This helps us categorize our meals and keep track of what we're eating throughout the day. You can also add an additional column for the date to help monitor your diet over time. Now that we've done that, let's add a column for calorie count. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Notion allows us to sum this column at the bottom, giving us a total daily intake. This is a critical feature for those of us who are counting calories to either lose, maintain, or gain weight. The next step is to fill out the table with your daily meals and their corresponding calorie counts. You might be wondering, why is this step important? Well, by doing this, you're actually creating a record of your nutritional habits. This is an excellent way for you to understand what you're consuming and make necessary adjustments. Finally, create a progress page linked from your main diet plan page. This page can include a weekly or monthly overview of your diet and any notes about changes in your weight or how you're feeling. The reason we do this is to reflect on our progress and adjust our diet plan if needed. And that's it. You've now set up a comprehensive diet plan and monitor using Notion. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to dieting. Use this guide to stay organized and on track with your health goals. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.